So we just talked about buying, or when you want to enter when price is going up, right? Now we're going to talk about the opposite, and that is selling or going short or when price is going down. It works in the inverse way of buying. So like when you buy, you want to buy above a bull bar, but when you sell, you want to sell beneath a bear bar. Right? So let's get into this slide. Going short, aka selling, traditionally otherwise known as selling. I sell with the intention that I will make money when price goes down. I lose money when price goes up. I have the best chance of making money when I sell beneath a bear bar. Remember this point. Just like in the bull bar example, sell underneath a bear bar. You have a more of an edge when you do that. So to give an example, these indicate potential sell entries, right? So this was a potential sell entry. The reason why this is a potential sell entry is because you see how this is underneath a bear bar. This is a bear bar. This was also at a resistance area from this high. Price didn't want to break any higher than that. So if you sell underneath here, boom. Like you have more of a chance of making money. And in this case, you would have made money. Have you tried to sell underneath this bear bar? Your price would not have been executed. Price needs to go underneath here to be able to be executed, right? So you wouldn't have been able to get executed at that point. You would have got executed at this point, and then price would have went lower and you would have made money. So this is another example of potential sell entry. So this is a big bear bar. You sell underneath that, risking off of this high, you're not losing, right? You're going down, you're making money on the way down. This is another example. This is a small doji, but you sell underneath that bear bar, going lower, right? Sell underneath this bear bar, going lower. You can try to sell underneath these bear bars, but price is not getting executed because it didn't go lower, right? So you literally have to wait until price goes lower. You could have sold underneath this one because price did slightly go underneath there, but it was a doji candle. So whatever you want to do is up to you. But if you risk off of, in this case, if you did risk off of, or if you did sell underneath this candle, you'd have to risk off this high. And in that case, you wouldn't have lost, right? Your trade would not have been executed, as far as like you wouldn't have lost the trade because it didn't go above this price and it ultimately went lower and you would have made money. Going down to here, sell underneath this bear bar, making money. Going sell underneath this bear bar, making money. The reason why it's better to sell underneath a bear bar is because price is already going in that direction. Like if you're wanting to sell or if you're wanting to make money on the way down, it's better to wait for the chart to tell you that, all right, price is going down now, right? So in this case, price showed it wants to go lower. You sell underneath that, you risk off of here or here, whatever the case may be, you're making money on the way down. Selling underneath a bear bar or buying above a bull bar gives you an edge to trade with the trend. You always want to try to trade with the trend. If you're counter trend trading, you have potential to make money doing that, but the odds are not in your favor because price is not going in that direction, right? In this case, this was a downtrend and you're selling underneath bear bars in a downtrend, you have a better chance of making money. If you're buying above a bull bar in a bull trend, you have a better chance of making money, right? If you buy above here, you're getting executed here and you're risking off of here and you're not losing, right? If you're buying above a bull bar here, you're getting executed up here, you're not losing any money, right? If you're risking off of here. It's all dependent on where you want to risk and where you're buying. For this example, like I said, shorting wise, you sell underneath the bear bar and if you sell underneath that bear bar, you have a better chance of making money to the downside. Just remember that. Just remember that. Like I said, we're going to go into so many opportunities and so many situations in actual charts. This is just the basics, just to understand the fundamentals. All right, y'all. I know I look like the light-skinned 2014 Justin Bieber right now because of my hair, but we're going to get over that. I got two things to mention real quick. Number one, I am releasing the full course that this video is a part of. The full candlestick price action trading course is on YouTube right now. It's over 18 hours of free trading game. There are so many golden nuggets in this course, you're not even going to believe that it's free. But I believe this information is so valuable and so helpful for everybody. I just want it out there, honestly. I truly feel like everybody has the potential to benefit off this information because if you can read a chart, then you can profit off of it if you know how to read it with the candlesticks. And this information that I'm giving you guys, it can be used to trade on any sort of candlestick chart, right? Whether it's Apple's candlestick chart or Tesla's or gold's candlestick chart or Bitcoin's or XRP's or euro versus the dollar or British pound versus the dollar, other stock markets around the world. It doesn't matter. If there's a candlestick chart, you will have a severe edge in reading it. I truly believe that with dedicated time and practice, anybody can become successful in trading. Anybody, like a grandma can literally do it. It just takes a lot of time and effort to learn how to do it. But understanding candlestick price action will severely help your trading journey. It severely helped my trading journey. I literally learned it, and a month after I learned candlestick trading, I became profitable. I passed my first prop firm account. So that's how impactful this information is. And I'm giving it to you for free. A lot of it. The second thing I want to mention is I am releasing amazing workout programs. As I've told you guys before, I am a certified personal trainer and a certified nutrition coach, but I've also been going to school for personal training. And shout out to my instructor, Paul, because he's given me hella golden nuggets throughout my whole journey in school. Because of that journey, I now have workout programs that can positively benefit everybody. And I mean it, like, let me explain. I have a full body muscle building program, aka a hypertrophy program. I have a fat loss program, so if you want to lose 20 pounds, you get on that program. I've got a core program that'll help you develop a six-pack like this. And I got a booty building program if you're trying to get your Kim K on. And they all incorporate a little bit of cardio because that's also very much needed in everybody's life as well. I'm also providing nutrition guides. I'm also providing recovery guides. And this is just the beginning. It's only going to grow from here. I already know how impactful it's going to be for other people because of how impactful it was for me. Because look at this picture of me from last summer and look at this picture of me from now. This progress was specifically from my muscle building and full body workout program. One of the beauties about working out and being active is it does not matter what age you are. You honestly have to do it. You need to be active. So anybody can work out with these programs. As long as you are medically cleared to work out, these programs have the tremendous potential to positively impact your life. And I'm so serious when I say this. The number one thing that you must always remember throughout both programs, whether it's the trading program or whether it's the workout programs, you must always believe in yourself and your abilities and your ability to achieve any outcome that you want, okay? Because you absolutely can, but it's going to take time, and you need to understand that it's going to take time. But if you dedicate the time, the effort, and the dedication to doing it, eventually it's going to happen. So don't stop. Do not give up on yourself. I believe in you. You got to believe in you too, okay? And you do it with this, and you do it with this. I believe. I want to end this video by letting you know that you are worth it. You are beautiful. You are absolutely everything that you want and need to be. It's already there. You already have it. You just have to realize it. That's really all it is. And always remember, regardless of what you look like, you are beautiful and you are created in God's image. And God is perfect. He doesn't do no wrong. So you are perfect. You just have to realize that perfectness within you. Or another way to say it is you have to understand the confidence and the power that you have within you. My goal is to awaken that confidence and that power within you, because you truly have the power of the universe within you. You have the power of God within you. You got to understand it, man. You are one with the creator. You are a creator. So let me help you create the life that you want to create. Let's do it together. So go check out infinityian.com. Everything that you need is going to be there. And I hope to see you there. I love you guys. God bless you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.